Calming Habitat Diaries. Unexpected visitors to our backyard today. They look very special. They are not our routine birds, they are guests. They have descended in numerous in number. They look beautiful. They are active, agile. And our sparrows, our routine birds, are sharing platform with them. Sparrows and finches. I don't know the name of the birds. I'm yet to learn about them. Some have, majority of them are having solid black color. Some of them have stripes on them. They have brown chest. Sparrows and finches have now used with them. Initially they were keeping away, but now they are sharing the food together. Calming Habitat Diaries. Yeah, this is something, a new bird. This has a stripe on it, brown in color, has a lot of stripes on the back. I'm seeing this bird for the first time. That feeds on the stray animal feed. My husband also feeds some stray animals at the backyard. Sometime stray cat, one or two might come. So he put some food for them. This particular bird is so interested in that feed. It's brown in color, it has stripes all over it. It's a new bird. I'm seeing it for first time. Yeah, it's eating really well. It's eating the cat food. A new visitor. Unexpected new guest. Has a sharp beak. It's enjoying cat food. That's not the bird food. Other birds become curious. Even sparrow trying to lift cat food. Oh, this is so cool. Signing off. Calming Habitat Diaries. I really enjoyed this day, and these birds have become part of my life today, and they and cherished us today with their presence. We are honored, and myself and my husband here at Calming Habitat Diaries. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and hype. We sign off. Have a nice day. Bye for now.